PowerTreads, a revolutionary innovation in the world of RC cars. While most RC cars suffer from a common limitation, their restricted mobility confined to smooth surfaces, PowerTreads breaks free from this constraint. With its distinctive design, this toy defies the norm and offers unparalleled cross-country capabilities. It fearlessly traverses various terrains, effortlessly conquering obstacles along the way. Imagine the thrill of designing obstacle courses for this incredible machine. And the best part? PowerTreads is surprisingly affordable, priced at just $30. Introducing the Terra-Wheel Lizard, the ultimate RC toy that's here to amaze you. While it may not claim to impart any extraordinary knowledge, this dynamic device is sure to captivate restless children and even surpass the appeal of multiple other toys. Unveiling the secret of the Terra-Wheel Lizard's prowess, it boasts two functional positions. In an upright stance, it cruises like an ordinary car, but when bent, it transforms into a rolling wheel, fearlessly conquering obstacles and stairs. Starting at a budget-friendly price of just $18, it's an absolute must-have for any adventure-seeking enthusiast. Introducing Ganker, the ultimate interactive robot toy brought to you by OS Robotics. Unlike most toys designed for solitary play, Ganker offers a thrilling multiplayer experience. Engage in epic robot battles and unleash your skills alongside friends. Control is a breeze with the intuitive smartphone app, allowing you to navigate Ganker with ease. Push the boundaries of customization by designing unique weapons and armor elements, making your robot stand out on the battlefield. For advanced players, coding opens up a world of possibilities, enabling the creation of special commands and movements. Rest assured, Ganker battles are harmless, as sensors detect and determine the winner based on gentle touches. Experience this extraordinary robotic adventure for just $400 and join the ranks of true champions. Introducing Misa, your ultimate robotic companion. In any family, whether small or large, each day is brimming with countless activities and chores. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, but fear not. Misa is here to lend a helping hand and keep you in the loop. First and foremost, Misa is an incredible toy capable of entertaining your child for hours on end. When parents are occupied, Misa engages in delightful chats with the kid, dancing and playing a multitude of educational and captivating games. But that's not all. This remarkable robot boasts an array of additional useful functions. Acting as a smart speaker, Misa can turn on alarms, set timers, retrieve information from the internet, and relay it back to you. It can even assist with booking hotels or suggesting recipes. During the day, Misa can patrol your home, equipped with a built-in camera and sound recorder. This way, you can observe and listen to what's happening while you're away. Furthermore, Misa facilitates video calls and provides entertainment with its movie-watching capabilities. And that's not all, it can even be programmed to care for the elderly, reminding them to take their medication at the right time. With Misa's remarkable autonomy, it navigates your house effortlessly, intelligently avoiding any obstacles in its path. And all this comes at a reasonable price, starting at just $400. Introducing SpiderPi by Hiwonder, a smart toy that's both entertaining and educational. Created by the innovative Chinese company, Hiwonder, SpiderPi is designed to teach programming fundamentals to its owner. With its high-resolution camera, it can recognize colors and track objects effortlessly. Equipped with ultrasound technology, SpiderPi can detect obstacles and navigate around them seamlessly. It even has the capability to follow visual lines. SpiderPi is not just a toy, it's a source of endless possibilities. With coding, you can program it to perform a wide range of tricks. SpiderPi is available for purchase at just $580, ensuring a worthwhile investment in limitless creativity. Introducing the revolutionary HHD H6, a game-changing delight for RC toy enthusiasts. Say goodbye to the agony of choosing between toys, as this remarkable product combines a motorcycle and a drone into one seamless experience. The HHD H6 swiftly transforms from a motorcycle to a drone with a simple manipulation, using its wheels as propellers. But the benefits don't end there. Equipped with a high-quality camera, this versatile toy captures breathtaking photos and videos in real time, effortlessly transmitted to your smartphone via Wi-Fi. Don't underestimate its capabilities. The HHD H6 can hover motionlessly in the air, delivering sharp images with minimal vibrations. With a dedicated remote or your smartphone, take control and explore up to 40 to 50 meters away. Enjoy 8 minutes of flight time or 15 minutes of thrilling ground rides. All this can be yours for an affordable price of $57. Experience the unmatched excitement of the HHD H6 today. Get ready to witness the incredible AirHogs stunt shot in action. This extraordinary radio-controlled car is equipped with massive, soft wheels that defy limits. Not only can it conquer obstacles and navigate unexpected terrain, but it does so without leaving a trace. Say goodbye to scratches on delicate surfaces and hello to worry-free fun. The best part? This amazing toy can be yours for just $25, offering endless excitement and adventure. Don't miss your chance to experience the adrenaline rush of the AirHogs stunt shot. Grab one now and unleash the thrill. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, like and leave a comment. Bye.